Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of s. If we have s cubed plus s is equals to 30 and we solve this problem for all the values of s. Here you see that this equation is cubic equation of highest degree is 3. It means that this equation has 3 roots. So now here we need to find all that 3 roots of the given equation. For this you focus into the left hand side and you see here in which one term is cubic term and one term is of exponent 1. So here we need to make this type of conditions into the right hand side. So that's why we need to break our right hand side as, or in other words we need to break our 30 as in this form. This is 27 plus 3. Okay, so further in the next step we need to just move both of these two values from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as s cubed plus s. This is 27 becomes minus 27 and this is plus 3 becomes minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to just make the pair of cubic term with cubic term. So this is our cubic term and this is minus 27, so we write this 27 as 3 cubed, and plus here we have this is s minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to just apply here the cubic formula on the first term or the first factor. So here you know about that this formula, if we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula, you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b, so that here we apply this cubic formula to the above equation. So after applying this formula on here, it will be written as, first you have a minus b, the value of a is s minus b is 3. Again a square, the value of a is s square plus ab, the value of a is s and b is 3 plus b square, b is 3 square, and plus this is our s minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve s minus 3, so that we take common s minus 3 from here. When we take common s minus 3, we get the remaining values are, from here we get this is s square plus this is 3 times of s plus this 3 square becomes 9, and plus when we take common this s minus 3, we get the remaining values are 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we need more simplifications to get the values of s, or to get the roots of this equation. So we have this is s minus 3 into, here we have this is s square plus 3s, and this will becomes here 9 plus 1 becomes here 10, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step we need to break this equation, and it will be written as, first we write here this is s minus 3 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write s square plus 3s plus 10 is equals to 0. So from here we easily get the value of s is equals to 3. So this is the our first root of the given equation, and now here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So you see here this is quadratic in s variable, and we know about that there are 3 methods to solve the quadratic equation, in which the first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and the third one is by applying the quadratic formula. But here we need to use a quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to 3, and c is equals to 10. These are the coefficients of given equation. And now we state the quadratic formula as S is equals to minus B plus minus square root of B square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now we need to substitute the above values of a, b and c in this formula. So here when we put the value of b, that is 3, on here it will becomes minus 3 plus minus square root of b square. So b is becomes 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 10, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square. 3 square becomes 9 minus 4 times of 10 becomes 40, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So here when we subtract these two values, it will be written as minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 40 is equals to minus 31, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to apply separately the square root separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as, so that when we break this square root sign, it will be written as minus 3 plus minus square root of 31 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So further we have s is equals to minus 3 plus minus a square root of 31 into, we know about that when we apply square root on minus 1, it will becomes iota, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have there are there are three roots of the given equation, and these roots are written as in this form. So the first root is s1 is equals to 3. This is the first real root, and s2 is equals to minus 3 plus square root of 31 into iota, and it is divided by 2. This is the second root, and s3 is equals to minus 3 minus square root of 31 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the third root of the given equation. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.